Hello YouTube, hope everybody's safe during this pandemic. I wasn't going to make a video till next year, but something came up that I got to address. So first thing first, I'm going to pop the hood. Okay, I developed an oil leak at the bottom, and I couldn't figure out where it was coming from. The only thing I knew was that it leaked when the engine was running. And I was afraid at first I had a cracked block, but I found out that the aluminum timing cover had a hairline crack between the water pump and the crank pulley. So what I did was I put some JB Weld on it and stopped the leak, but that's only going to be temporary because when you have a crack in the aluminum, they usually will spider web out and get longer, and I'm going to have the issue again. So I ordered a new aluminum timing cover. So I was trying to save money, but it looks like I'm going to spend some money anyway. So hopefully in a few days I'll have an unboxing with that. And since I'm pulling the timing cover off and removing the serpentine belt to get to it, I might as well put on my 100 amp alternator that I bought for this. This is the factory 80 watt amp, the 80 amp alternator that I originally had on the car when I first bought it. This is getting off, new alternator going on, new timing cover going on. And that's it for the time being. I finally found a man who's going to do the transmission for me. I got to set up a little bucks for that. But first thing first, fix that oil leak. Until next time, I'll see you.